This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the OnePlus 6. Now this should be one hell of a test. Both phones have the Snapdragon 845. Both phones have a massive 8 gigs of RAM. And both phones are on Android Oreo 8.1. Let me know in the comments who you think will win. Put the S Pen back in the Note. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Samsung Night. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both, so let's get started by tapping the phone app. OnePlus, messages. OnePlus again, camera. You guys be the judges. Clock on both phones. OnePlus. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Samsung Internet and Chrome browser, let's go. Amazon, let's go. Very similar performance. Scrolling through this, and a little bit of a stutter there on the Note for some reason, but you get the general idea. Go to the full site, let's go. And very similar performance again. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on the OnePlus 6, leave that in the background. Calculator on both. Very close. The Play Store. Call that one a draw. Click on Wish. And leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. Ooh, very close, but maybe the OnePlus 6 on that one. Click on this Asus laptop. Leave it on that page. Twitter. Tie. Baseball at bat. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. Super Mario Run. Loading on both, and whoo, very close, maybe the OnePlus 6. Tap to begin. Note 9 a little bit faster running the game. And leave this running in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New York World Tour. Both are loading the game, and woo, so close. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Loading on both. Oh man. We might have another tie. And OnePlus 6 by a split second. Tap to play. Leave this in the background. Asphalt 9, let's go. Which one is ahead? And give this to the Note 9. Tap the play button. And leave this in the background. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. Maybe the OnePlus 6 ahead a little bit. And give this to the OnePlus 6. CSR Racing 2. We'll see. Call this one a draw. Instagram. Very close. And Snapchat. Woo! A tie again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background as you can see. Both phones have 8 gigs of RAM. Let's see what happens. Instagram. Good to go. This one. Paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto. Ready to play. This one. Still in the background. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Paused and ready to resume also. Super Mario Run. Ready to play. Baseball. No reloads yet. Twitter. Same place. eBay. Same place. Play Store. Same place again. Calculator. Are these phones gonna run the table? The browsers. still on Amazon. So you can see, clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. The camera, you guys are the judges. Messages, very fast. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this very close matchup. Are you on team OnePlus, rocking this OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T from a couple of years ago? These phones rocking excellent specs for essentially half the price of some of these flagship phones. Are you excited for the rumored OnePlus 6T? Or are you a Samsung 9 rocking this specced out Galaxy Note 9, 512 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, Galaxy Note 8, S8 or S8 Plus? This phone having excellent build quality and no notch? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.